Welcome to the Fast Fix channel, everyone. My name's Jason, and if you've got a blower motor that sounds like this, you're going to want to get that fixed. Let's take a look and see what's going on. The vehicle we're looking at today is a 2004 Toyota Tacoma, but the blower motor assembly is pretty standard amongst all vehicles and can generally be found under the passenger side under the dash of the vehicle. So right here, this is what we're looking for. This is our blower motor, and we've only got 1, 2, 3 screws to undo in order to drop this down, so let's do that. Yep. And here's our blower motor. Look at this thing. This is a farm truck, and we definitely had a little mouse family or some rodent living in here, so we need to clean this out. And that should solve our problem. So let's get that done. This is nasty. Ugh. Look at that. An actual mouse. That is what was making all that racket. Can almost guarantee it. We cleared out our intruder's home, so let's see if that made a difference. Absolutely. Hey, if this video helped you, please help me and hit like and subscribe. It makes a world of difference. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of the day.